Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking hot dogs in the air fryer. So what I need for this recipe is hot dogs and hot dog buns and any toppings you'd like. I'm just going to use ketchup and mustard. So let's open the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put hot dogs in a basket. You can have as many hot dogs as you want to cook at once. I'm just going to cook 3, but you can cook the whole package if you'd like. And let's pierce the hot dogs with a fork so they don't explode and split. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer, and it will set the temperature to 400 degrees, and it will set the time to 4 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking hot dogs, so let's take them out. And I'm going to now put hot dogs on buns. And now I will take the hot dogs with buns and put them back in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 2 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our hot dogs. Perfectly cooked hot dogs on a warm bun. And now, if you'd like, you can add your toppings. And this is it. You will love making hot dogs in the air fryer. So easy to make, and they taste amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And please don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.